Welcome to mathematics session. In this session, we want to look at equations dealing with opposite operation. So opposite operations talks about the sum of two opposite numbers which is equal to 0. So two numbers are opposite if they have the different signs but the digit is the same. For example, we have -6. So the opposite of -6 is +6, such that when we add -6 plus 6, the answer will be 0. So this opposite operation is very important when dealing with the equations. So let us look at examples. X plus 8 is equal to 15. So your focus is here, okay, +8. So since your focus is there, you ask yourself, what's the opposite of +8? The opposite of +8 is what? -8. So we're going to pick this and since it's negative, subtract on both sides of the equation. So here, this is -8, also here -8. So you subtract 8 minus 8 is 0. So this cancels. This has become 0. It's the same as x plus 0 is equal to, then 15 minus 8, that is 7. Okay, so 15 minus 8, that is 7. So now we have x is equal to, this 0 has no effect, so it will be 7 plus 0, which is x is equal to 7 plus 0 or minus 0 is one and the same thing. So this is 7. This is the answer. We come to this. What's the opposite of 6? Is -6. So -6 here, okay, and also -6 here. So 6 minus 6, that is 0. So we remain with 0 plus x is equal to 14 minus 6. That is 8 times 14 minus 6, that is 8. So in this case, this is x is equal to, there, even if you leave it, it has no impact, so it will be equals 8. So that is it. We do more examples. We have x plus 3 equals 7. So what's the opposite of +3? That is -3. Also here, -3. So there we cancel. This is x is equal to, okay, this is 0. 0 plus x, x is the answer, then equals 7. So this is equal to 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Okay, then we come to this one. What's the opposite of -4? Is +4. So it will be +4. So now instead of subtracting, we are adding because this is positive. So it will be x minus 4, then plus 4 equals 10 plus 4. Okay, whatever you do on this side, left side, should be done on the right side. So this is 0. -4 plus 4 is 0. So x, okay, is equal to, which is 10 plus 4, that is 14. So this is the answer. So this is another operation method that you can use to solve equations. Okay, mathematics, you need to know a lot of formulas or methods to use so that it becomes easier. So as you practice, it becomes more interesting and easier for you to manage. So we look at this one. We have n minus 10 is equal to 20. So we have -10. The opposite of -10, okay, is +10. So we are going to add. So negative minus 10 plus what? 10 is equal to 20 plus 10. So this is 0. N minus, that is 20 plus 10, which is n. Okay, this is equals, so because here this is 0, n minus 0 is n, then equal sign 20 plus 10, so this is 30 as the answer. So kindly pause the video, watch it several times, make use of these simple methods to help you solve equations. So at your level, they may not bring simple equations as this. We are doing this so that when it comes to advanced topics, it will be easier for you, okay, because you already know how to deal with equations than you ask of the method and you ask of how to solve equations. So that will be very challenging. So that's why we have started with basic mathematics, so that when it comes to senior topics, it will be easier for us to cruise, because I wouldn't spend much of the time explaining simple basic things like this. We'll just go straight to the point. Thank you so much for your attention.